this is my old office desk, which I'm going to repurpose. So I've bought a new one, and this one is about 20 years old. It's really deteriorated, but it does have a little filing cabinet and a drawer on this side. Now, if you're on a budget, I didn't want to buy a new little filing cabinet, so I'm going to repurpose this, and it just temporarily, and we'll see how it goes. This is the front part of the desk, and that's where the drawer and the filing cabinet go. It's got little rollers there, so we're going to try to save that part and try to do the best job we can. I've got my saw out and clamps. Going to get a straight bit of wood now. I've got 2 bits of wood nailed here together. Just going to try to get these guys apart so I can use one of them as a straight edge. Hey buddy, sorry for scaring you. Look out for those nails. Grab yourself a tape measure and a pencil so we get the right distance. Looks like 48 is the number. Line up your pencil marks. Make sure it looks right at this end. Looks balanced. Now, while I was clamping it up, I realised that I need to allow for the distance between this bar and the cutting blade. So let's adjust this, because the line is where I want to cut. So I'll mark here, this is where I want the piece of timber as my guide. I've got my new mark here. Let's see where that takes us to. Okay, 51.5. So exactly 3.5. 3.5. All right. Let's clamp these down. Oh, incidentally, I've never done this before, so I sure hope it works. Just got this to protect you against power surges, or not power surges, but if there's a fault, it's a safety switch. Using this for the first time. Reset is green. Yeah, it will help if I turn it on. Okay, test. Reset. Red light's on. I just thought before I get to the end, I'm going to try to prop up the bottom of the other side of the table. Might fall down, don't want it to cause any damage. I just found some crates and I thought, oh, if it falls down too much, well, just so it's got something to lean on, just in case. I think it's a success. Let's have a closer look. All right. Take it to the other side. Here we are on the other side. Oh, I forgot. I completely forgot. It's attached down the bottom. Completely forgot it's attached down the bottom here. I'm going to have to flip it over and do a bit more cutting. Now, hopefully my iPhone just ran out of memory and I'm using my SLR camera right now. So I don't know if it's going to work. Unfortunately, it won't be 4K from this point of the video onwards. Let's see how it goes. Oh, as you can see, it's not matching up. Let's go. I like using the iPhone. There we go. There's the cut's not matching up. I'm just going to have to figure out what to do next. I'm going to do the rest with my wood saw. You might say, well, how come you just don't unscrew it? Well, it's because I remember gluing this when I built it, and I'm going to give it a go. I'll see if it's glued. I sure hope this is not glued. It feels... And if you're wondering, yeah, I do have a electric drill with a screwdriver bit on it. But everything's not easy. Let's see if we can do this one here. I think I said before, everything's not easy. No. I try not to make things easy. My tools are all over the place in this house. Okay, hopefully this is it. Maybe it'll just pull apart now. Hopefully it'll just... Ah, look, snap the dowel. All right. I forgot about the pieces of dowel. Everything's always a challenge. All right. It's not too bad at the moment. That's what I want it to be, just a place where I can put the drawers back in. The edge isn't too bad actually. So a light sand will tidy that up. And I can just use this temporarily as a drawer and filing cabinet. You're a good little boy. You're a good little boy. I'm going to use my renovator tool to take off these pieces of dowel down here, and I'll unscrew that. I'm going to give this a sand, and we're going to paint it. Now I'm going to have to show that on my next video. You can probably tell that I'm filming this end bit on a different day. I did want to do the whole cabinet redo from beginning to end, but that'll have to be another video. My intention is to sand and paint this and show you the finished product. It'll be on the screen somewhere, clicking, I don't know where it'll be, but it'll be somewhere. It's pretty hard to get everything done. Because I have a Monday to Friday job, it's really hard to do all my filming and editing in one go, and I really like to put out a video at least once a week. I'm trying to, it's pretty hard, so I want to release one on Wednesday, which is today, so hopefully I'll have it out by tonight. I want to finish by saying thank you so much for all you beautiful people that actually come and watch my videos. Thank you very much. Have a great week and ciao for now.